Okay, we have agreed that we will enable queries on the main thread temporarily with the only purpose of checking that our implementation of Room works as expected. For that, we just need to go to our app database class and enable allow mainframe queries when we build the instance of our database. I am also adding a comment here, so nobody forgets that we have enabled this only temporarily. Time to start saving tasks into our database. For that, let's open Add Task Activity and add a member variable to hold the instance of our app database. We can initialize the MDB variable in the onCreate method by calling to the getInstance method of our app database class. The onSaveButtonClick method will be called when the Save button is clicked. In order to create a new task entry object, we need the description from the edit text, the priority, and the current date. Let's create a variable for each of them. The description will come from the content of the edit text. The priority, which is an integer, can be retrieved using the getPriorityFromViews method. This method will return the right priority depending on which radio button is checked. Finally, the date will be a new date object. With this, we can now call the constructor of our task entry class. Finally, we will retrieve the task DAO from our database instance and call the insertTask method using the task entry object that we have just created. This will add a record with the given data to our database. Assuming that we want to return to our list, we can use the finish method to do it automatically once the new task is saved. If we run the app, we can click on the floating action button to open the Add Task activity. Let's add a new task called Test with priority high and click on the Add button. As you can see, we return to main activity, which means that our code has been executed. But we cannot see our task there because we are not reading from the database yet.